In this guide, I will show you how to open BNP Paribas account. So let's get started. First, open Google search for BNP Paribas. Click the first result here, and then you will see this page. As you can see here, guys, click I am this option. And then from here, click on the top right corner, access to my account. From here, click become a customer. After that, click this option, click open account. And then you will see this page. From here, friends, just follow me on this easy steps. You will see English, this language will be to English to get better result. I scroll down and then from here, friends, I make this IN or English, this one English to get better result. Become a customer, open account. After that, when you click open account, you will see this page. Click and so this one, write your all details such your names and your first name and your email address and private or professional, this business or individual. Here this is a private or individual. Choose this combat individual. As I say, click I want this accept term and conditions and then click continue. After that, you will see this second page. Write your all details, such your phone numbers. Write your all details here and upload your all details that birthday of dates. Choose your pay here, and then when you choose the pay of your necessary, for example, this one, and then write your nationality, Algerians, and click this one, common Renaissance. After that, friends, all you have to do complete this one, suivant, choose this all details, and then you will see complete all these details. Write your domicile address, your pay of residence, upload your write your postal codes, your phone number here, and then answer this question. After that, you complete all these steps to open your account and then upload your identity ID. This is how you can do it. It is easy steps. I am this guide helpful for you.